Today, we are going to talk about 12 best tech gifts that you can give to your loved ones for the summer of 2021. Now, before I begin, I just want to, say I hope you're well. I hope that you're well taken care of. Hey everyone, this is Dr. Sala once again of NYC Emerging Healthcare Technology, your go-to place if you want to learn more about blockchain, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, and web development in healthcare. And also if you want to learn more about digital health. So today I'm very excited because I'm going to show you 12 best tech gifts that you can give to your loved ones for the summer of 2021. Now, without further ado, let me get on with the ride and help me show you the best tech gifts for 2021.
Zombie apocalypse.
So up for number one is this Sony noise cancelling headphone, which I have right now. So I like this so much because you're able to cancel out the world with this smart noise cancellation. There's also, it automatically also senses your environment with the dual noise sensor technology. It's long lasting with up to 35 hours of battery. And there's also quick charging. And then it's also smartphone compatible hands-free calls with your voice assistant. I was charging this, so that's why I have this one. So it has a wireless tooth streaming with NFC One Touch. You can hear more detail with a 30mm driver unit. And there's also ultra comfortable headphone design with adjustable metal sliders. So see this one. See? And it is only $178 US. The next one is the video camera recorder, which is your digital camera recorder, and this is what it actually looks like. So I love this one because it has a multi-function camera. So this camcorder actually shoots 2.7 with 30 FPS videos and 42 MP clear pictures too, and then it ensures that the camcorder images are high definition and more realistic. I'm actually going to show you some of the videos that I made for this one. You can turn on the fill light, and the digital video camera can shot high quality black and white images, and even in a relatively dark environment. This camera also has an 18 times digital zoom function, which can magnify the object if you shoot 2 to 18 times. And this video camera is very lightweight. You can see it's very lightweight, and it's portable with a built-in microphone and speaker. And it's not very expensive. It only costs $58.88. Okay, the next product that I'm going to show you is a must-have, especially if you're an influencer, if you want to do a lot of YouTube videos. So this is the 10-inch ring light with the 50 extendable tripod set. So what I have here is just the ring light. I have the tripod at my back, but one of the things I like about this one is it features high sensitivity to touch panel design and has longer life than traditional mechanical buttons. It also includes an AC/DC adapter, which helps us to protect your safety while improving the ring light's brightness with over 50% than other USB powered models. It also extends from 15 inches to 50 inches, our tripod, and can be adjusted to any height within seconds as needed, short enough to stay on the tabletop and tall enough to fit your height, especially if you're like me, where I'm very a small person. So this is a pocket-sized wireless remote. There's also a pocket-sized remote which allows you to take selfies or group photos easily from a distance to up to 30 feet. It is compatible with most Apple or Android smartphones like Samsung Galaxy, and there's no app download necessary. So I like this one because not only because of its functionalities, but also because it's very cheap. It's only $34.99 US. Now, all of the products that I mentioned are in the link down below. So make sure to visit the link and to read the link down below. The next one is the GoPro Hero 9 Black waterproof action camera with front LCD and touch rear screens. So it is able to make a 5K ultra high definition video. And I like this one because it shoots a stunning video with up to 50K resolution and perfect for maintaining detail even when zooming in. It's also 20 MP photo with super photo. So it is able to capture crisp quality photos with a 20 MP clarity. You can actually also use this for live streaming plus webcam, and then for live stream it is around 1080p on social, and you can get hyper smooth stabilization as you broadcast your videos. I like this because the front display and the rear touchscreen is a new larger rear touchscreen with a touch zoom on Hero 9 Black, and it has a dazzling new front display. And I like this so much because it's not really expensive. You can actually use this to make your videos a lot better. So it only costs $379.99, so around about $400 US. The next one is the Thermacell portable mosquito repeller. Now it's summer, that's why I actually included this one. So this is the Thermacell portable mosquito repellent, which creates a 15-foot zone of protection against mosquitoes. It's ideal, especially if you're going camping, fishing, and hunting. And then there's no cords or batteries. It's powered by a safe, compact 12-hour fuel cartridge, and without the smoke or the flames or even the smell of citronella. It is unscented repellent mask, especially if you have allergies, for example. It can last for 4 hours each and change the color when it's time to refill. It's very cheap. It's only $19.97, and it's a must-have if you're planning to go on camping, especially during the summer. The next one, of course, is the blue Snowball Ice USB mic for recording and streaming on your PC, your Mac. And I like this one because it is a custom condenser capsule which offers crystal clear audio for your Skype and your FaceTime messages. It also records vocals, so you can, if you're making podcasts, for example, and narration for your home movies. It also adds crystal clear audio recordings for YouTube, so the frequency is usually around 40 to 18 kilohertz. And then it's easily plug and play directly to your Mac with no PC drivers to install. So it has a USB to device, and it's compatible with a USB 3.0 backwards compatibility. And it's also very cheap. It's only $39.99. You can use this also with your with your Windows. The next one, which is also very important, is your Fitbit Charge fitness and activity tracker with built-in GPS, heart rate, sleep and swim tracking. I like this one because it makes use of a built-in GPS to see your pace, your distance on the screen door, especially if you're running, if you're hiking, and you're doing a lot of intense workouts. You can monitor your heart rate 24/7, even your resting heart rate, including measure your caloric burn, and you're able to track workouts in real time with 20 plus goal-based exercise modes. And more importantly, it's not very expensive. It's only $98.95. Now the next one, because I've always been fond of drones, I included this one. This is a mini drone especially for kids with a camera remote control. So it makes use of high definition pictures and live videos. It is equipped with 720p, a high definition Wi-Fi camera to make better aerial photos and videos. And it has a low power alarm emergency stop with 4 propeller guards to ensure your safe flight. It has rechargeable and powerful battery support for around 20 minutes. And it can charge safely and fly longer. You can also use the sticks to perform an impressive flip, and then, using your iPhone for that matter. And it's not very expensive. It's only $52.99. Now the next one, I've been telling you about this one ever since last year, is the Echo Dot, which is a 4th generation 2020 release. So it is a smart speaker with Alexa. So I like this one because you're able to control voice control your entertainment. You can stream songs from Amazon, and you can use Alexa for help. For example, if you want to tell a joke or need a recipe for that latest cheesecake. You can also play the news, check the weather, set alarms, and you can also use it to control your smart home. You can use your voice to turn on the lights, adjust the thermostat, especially if you're living alone. And this is designed to protect your privacy. So Amazon is at the business of selling your personal information, unlike other companies. And it's built with multiple layers of privacy controls, including if you want to turn your mic button off. It's not very expensive. It's only $49.99, around $50 US. The next one, which I think is very important, especially because we're now in summer, is the Aerogarden Black Harvest Indoor Hydroponic Garden, which I love because I love planting plants and everything. So it includes a gourmet herb seed kit, which includes basil, parsley, thyme, Thai basil, and mint. It can make use of around 6 plants to grow at a time, around 12 inches in this indoor garden, and it grows in water, so there's no soil, there's no mess. It's made simple. It makes use of a control panel which tells you when to add the water and reminds you when to add the plant and food. It automatically turns on the lights for your hydroponics growing system, and it does not allow water to, just make sure though that you do not allow water to contact your LED lights. And it's not very expensive. It's only $94.95. The next one is the Nintendo Lite Switch, which is optimized handheld play for Nintendo Switch Lite. It has a sleek unibody design with fully integrated controls and built-in control pads. And then it's compatible with physical and digital Nintendo Switch games that support your handheld mode. And it's not very expensive. It's only $199 US. The next is the Oculus Quest all-in-one VR gaming headset. If you want to have the 64GB. So I like this one because it's all-in-one VR, which you simply set up the device with your Oculus mobile. So your Oculus set has everything you need to explore virtual reality right out of the box, which is I really love this one. So it has inside tracking, which allows for reflective movements in your VR without the need for external accessories. You only have two. And then your Oculus touch controllers precisely recreate your hands, their gestures, interactions, so that every game is real enough to reach and touch. And the Oculus works with your environment, so you can play standing or sitting in small or big spaces. And it's not very expensive. It only costs $391.71. Just make sure you have a Facebook account though. And with that, I wanted to sincerely thank you. And for more information, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe. And also make sure to read all the links down below. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.